In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recreate the supporting structures for the figure eight ramp. So following on from our last tutorial, I recreated the figure eight ramp using the sweep tool. So we then want to create the structures that follow along the center of this figure eight. So we start by creating a cylinder, and we'll just drag this out, extrude up, and then I will edit the radius to 0.5, and I'm making the height at 15. So I'm making this height at a set height, and then I'm going to Boolean difference the from the ground down. So this will follow along the line at the same height, and then we're going to Boolean difference the rest. So the next thing we want to do is get that center point of the ramp underneath. So what we'll do is edit poly, select the edge, select one of the edges, and then select ring. This selects all edges. And then we want to connect those edges through the center. So then we go connect, and we only want one. So that's at the center, so we don't need to change that. Yes. And then I want to right click and then create shape. And we'll name this structure points. Okay. So once we have that, we can select the cylinder that we've made. And then we want to go up to tools, align. We want to use the spacing tool. So we'll pick the path that we just created. And this will add that shape along that line. And if we just go 30 would be fine. Apply. And then we'll close. So it has extruded, it has set the shape to above this point, above this line, which we don't really want. So I'm just going to select all of them besides this one, this. Mhm. So I'm just going to go ahead and select all these points. I'm not sure why it's not letting me select them all at once. Hmm. So once we have all of them selected, I'm just going to drag them down to underneath the ramp structure. Yep. So the next thing we're going to do is Boolean difference, where we don't need this structure. So where it's meeting the floor, we're going to Boolean difference the excess. So what we're going to do is create a box. So the box will represent the ground floor. And I'll just go into side view. And I'm going to bring that up to where the ramp would meet the ground. So not here. Okay. So once we've got that, I'm just going to hide that box and then reselect all of the shapes, the cylinders. Oh, okay. That's why it wasn't letting me group select before. I had this window crossing selected that I didn't realize. So make sure that's unticked. So I'll group select. I'll turn that box back on. So we want to edit poly and then Boolean. And we want to subtract. So select the box and then that will be subtracted. And then we're left with the remaining structure. Thanks for watching.